When you tell people that you have the perfect travel spinning wheel because it literally folds into a box, they normally are somewhat confused how any sort of a spinning wheel could fold into a box. The SpinOlution King Bee does exactly that. You can see here where I carried it down what felt like a million stairs to the lakefront so that I could spin at Lake Lure. It folds conveniently up with everything tucked inside, even has a handle in the back. You can see here Mom showing how you unfold it from a box. You pull up the peg, pull up the top, flip down the foot pedal, and then you're ready to spin. You can even keep your bobbin safely tucked in the flyer head while you are transporting it, and you can see how it easily goes all the way around, and you can see the handle in the back where you could carry it, and you even have lazy Kate pegs that are tucked conveniently into the side. You can easily pull the pegs out and place them in the side. You can see Mom doing that here for your lazy Kate, which I really love having the lazy Kate on the side. That keeps all of your yarn untangled and out of the way. And so that's a really easy way to have a lazy Kate, and then when you're ready to move, you just pull it out, put it back in the convenient little pocket on the side, and then everything is locked in tight. You pull the peg to release it, bring the arm down, and then flip up the bottom. And the whole thing weighs about 14 pounds, and you can easily carry it all the way back up the stairs with the handle. And I just love that we can take our spinning fiber braids on vacation, and it's really easy to be able to enjoy what we want to do, and talk and hang out, and make some fun yarn no matter where we're at, and it's not a big hassle at all. If you would like more information on the King Bee SpinOlution wheel or any of our fiber arts braids and subscriptions, you can find them on feralscene.com. We sure have a lot of fun doing what we're doing, and we appreciate you checking out our family business. And if you have any questions about spinning your own yarn, I'm more than happy to help you with that. And here's just some glamour shots of the wheel and our subscriptions and Lake Lure, of course. With any of the SpinOlution wheels, you can check out the King Bee on my website, Feral Scene. You can see different pictures, you can see different ratio guides, as well as reviews, and you can definitely check out and purchase in whatever way best suits your budget, as well as my online courses if you'd like to learn more about art yarn.